Hello gorgeous peeps, I'm Chris from TechSpert, and today we're going to be checking out the fresh new Shokz OpenFit true wireless earbuds. They're a unique pair of premium wireless buds which cost you £179 here in the UK. They're available from July the 6th, and you can find out more and order your very own pair by clicking the link in the video description beneath my chatty head. So let's crack on, check out the OpenFits, and a massive thanks to Shokz for sponsoring this video. Cheers! So let's see what we've got inside of this special presentation box. Well, this right here is a cunning wee dissection of all of the clever bits shoved inside of the OpenFits. These include the dual layered liquid silicone that help provide a comfortable fit, the brains of the operation which helps to enhance your audio experience. You've got a sizable 18x11mm driver, all kinds of smarty pants stuff. And of course we've also got our Shokz OpenFit true wireless earbuds. Now first off, gotta say, I'm impressed by the compact size of this case considering these true wireless earbuds have proper full-on ear hooks. It's certainly looking rather cozy in there. You can grab a pair of Shokz OpenFit in a couple of different colours. This is the black model, but you can also grab them in beige. They're nice and easy to chuck on, just slip them over your ear like so. Gotta make sure there's no gap between the hook and the auricle being the flappy bit of your lugs. Don't ever say watching TechSpert isn't educational. And as you can see, when you are rocking the Shokz OpenFit true wireless earbuds, your inner ear is free and open, which is great news if you feel a bit claustrophobic having stuff wedged into your ear canals, or you find that your ears start to ache a bit after you're just wearing regular true wireless earbuds for any length of time. Now the parts of the Shokz OpenFit that are actually in contact with your skin are constructed from ultra soft silicone, and it feels rather lovely. I think I might be developing a fetish. Between those materials and the lightweight design, it's certainly a comfortable fit. And these ear hooks are made from flexible memory wire which can adjust to suit the shape of your lugs and make sure the OpenFits are nice and stable even if you're doing a bit of a jog, perhaps enjoying some star jumps, other things that are exercises that people might do. And to prove just how good they are, mosh test! As you can see, the OpenFits are still firmly attached to my bonds. Oh, and if you happen to live somewhere that could accurately be described as drizzly, well, good news, you've got IP54 splash and dust resistance here. Now the Shokz support Bluetooth 5.2 for pairing up with your smartphone or streaming device of choice. And if you pair up with your phone, you'll have full control using the Shokz app. In here you can play around with various features, tweak the audio settings, check the battery status, and you can even customize the touch controls. As you can see, by default, a double tap of the left and right earbud will play or pause your music, and you can press and hold to skip tracks, but both of these options are fully customizable. So for instance, you could use a double tap of the right bud to call up your voice assistant, and pressing and holding could actually decrease or increase the volume instead. These controls are super intuitive. You're just touching or tapping these little flat bits here. Works an absolute charm. You get tonal feedback to know that you've done it right. And that Bluetooth connection seems to stay strong and stable as well, even if you leave your smartphone in one room and then bugger off to another one. Now the OpenFits use Shokz's DirectPitch tech, so even though these are open earbuds, they're not lodged in your lugs, there is next to zero leakage to disturb anyone else who's around. So no, that guy who's sat next to you on the tube has no idea that you're rocking out to a classic bit of Bewitched. You happen to be a closet Ed Sheeran fan. Ugh. As an example, I'm enjoying some very shouty metal right now. I'm going to boost the volume all the way up and keep the mic right there. Okay, that's really, really loud now, to the point where my eardrums are vibrating quite violently. Just going to chuck it up a little bit more. Okay, yeah, that's about as much as I can take. Wee bit of ringing going on, that's always a good sign, right? And as you heard, very little noise leakage whatsoever, and this mic sensitivity is turned right up as well. And thanks to that open design, you can maintain situational awareness, so you can hear if you're about to get absolutely obliterated by a double-decker bus. And let's chat audio quality, and Shokz's ultralight composite diaphragm may be compact, but it can pump out some crisp, clear audio. If we hop our way back into that Shokz app, you'll see you've got some EQ modes that you can play around with. You boost the vocals or the bass if you're really into those lows. Also emphasize the trebles, otherwise you've got your very own manual EQ you can play around with. Shokz's OpenBass algorithm helps to enhance those lows, give your tracks a good bit of oomph. You've also got DRC, dynamic range control, which can dynamically adjust the EQ in real time for a natural, feature-packed audio experience. And good news if you actually like to use your phone to, call people.
The OpenFit buds have a pair of built-in mics, and Shokz has thrown in some clever AI noise cancellation tech to filter out all of the background arsery going on, so your voice comes through nice and clear even when there's lots of honking traffic going by, as there is right now.
As for the battery life on the Shokz OpenFit, well, great news if you've got a long commute or you're going on a proper full-on journey, because these things will last you 7 hours before the buds need to be stuck back in the case for a recharge. And the good news is you do have fast charge support if you're in a bit of a rush, you want to get some extra listening time in, because just 5 minutes in the case will give you roughly an hour of playback. Otherwise you can also get a full charge in roughly 60 minutes. And you should get roughly 3 full recharges from the case before it itself needs topping up, so again, great news for those long journeys. And there you are, my lovelies, that in a delicious wee nutshell is the fresh new Shokz OpenFit True Wireless Earbuds. As I say, they could be yours for £179 here in the UK, just check out the link in the description. Massive thanks again to Shokz for sponsoring this video. Please do let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech. And have yourselves a really wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you.